So during the time of Jesus and just like today, maraming mga traditions, no? And a lot of those traditions, basta sumusunod lang ang tao. Hindi sila nagtatanong, bakit ko kailangan gawin to? Saan ba nanggaling to? Meron ba tong biblical basis? So they just basically assign this task of examining scripture, no? They just assign this task to the leaders, no? To the religious leaders, to the religious authorities. So, one day, disciples of John decided we're going to go to Jesus because we have this tradition of fasting, no? We and the Pharisees, no? So we observe fasting on a regular basis, but nagtataka lang kami, bakit ang disipulo ni Kristo hindi sila sumusunod doon sa fasting? Bakit hindi sila nagfa-fast? So, ang sagot sa kanila ni Kristo, walang reason for them to fast. Why? Because I'm here with them. There is simply no reason for them to do this. They're not mourning. Darating ang araw, I'm gonna be taken away from them, and that's the time that they're going to fast. And then he further explains what he means by using two analogies. The first analogy is may kinalaman sa tela at lumang damit. Hindi ka gagamit ng bagong tela sa lumang damit. Kasi kapag umurong yung tela, yung bagong tela, ang mangyayari, mas gagrabe lang ang sira ng lumang damit. And it makes a lot of sense, right? Now, another example na ginamit niya is alak, wine. Wine continues to ferment, no, after you put it inside the wineskin. And kung yung wineskin ay luma, ito ay malutong na. What will happen is that it will further expand and it's not going to be able to hold the pressure and it will burst. So what they do, the logical thing to do is to use new wine on new wineskin so that both of them will be preserved, right? So how does these two things connect? No, what Jesus is basically telling them, you shouldn't be forcing your old traditions on this new thing that I am introducing to you. No, hindi mo pwedeng pilitin kasi bakit? This will, result to conflict. As you can see, meron silang sariling interpretation nila when it comes to observing the Sabbath. Yes, it's true. Nagbigay ng batas si Moses na during the Sabbath that they shouldn't be working. But it doesn't mean that they shouldn't be helping, they shouldn't be healing, or they shouldn't be taking any food from the field kapag gutom sila. Hindi naman sila nagtatrabaho eh. No? They're doing this because it's their moral responsibility. What Jesus is telling them, adhering to man-made rules and traditions while neglecting moral responsibility towards people is simply wrong. It's incompatible and it will not work. No? What I am teaching you, what Jesus is teaching them, no, is that new life constitutes new way of thinking. Hindi mo pwedeng pilitin yung dati mo nang ginagawa kasi ginagawa mo to. And today we do the same thing. Marami tayong ino-observe na traditions at alam naman natin hindi lahat ng traditions ay nakakabuti. Sometimes it becomes detrimental sa ating spiritual development. Most of us, we just do things without asking why. Hindi natin tinatanong ano ba yung meaning, purpose, intention, or where is this? Is there a biblical basis for observing this? We just go with the flow. And sometimes it's causing people to stumble. Lalo tayong napapalayo. We misunderstand the heart of God. No? And if we really want to follow Christ, if we truly want to be faithful, we must be willing to let go of these things because it's simply incompatible. Again, new wine, new wineskins. Okay? With that, God bless.